So, are viewers fish? I will prove my point in this video, and then I will also help you to catch more fish. Like everybody else, I started a couple of YouTube channels and quickly realized that I need to do a lot of research. So I was like a sponge, and I started watching probably 100 to 200 videos about YouTube channel. How to succeed, how to grow, what about thumbnails, what about titles. I came upon videos that spoke about thumbnails and how important they are. And I listened, and the guy explained, and he said, whatever is in your thumbnail must be in your video. If it's not, it's very, very confusing. And it is called clickbait. That's clue number one. Bait. Like in clickbait. There's bait, so you click on it. I thought, okay, that's interesting that I call it clickbait. And then I watched another video. And this guy was saying that, you know, to keep retention on your videos, you need to go and do the hook loop. I thought to myself, hook loop? And he explained, you know, if you ask a question in the beginning, in your introduction, you keep your audience until the end so you get more view hours. So yeah, that made perfect sense. And then it just dawned on me. I thought to myself, clickbait, hook loop, a hook and bait. You use those to catch fishes. But how on earth are viewers now fish? Then I started watching videos about titles. And then in my own mind, I thought to myself, this must be the real, because, you know, once they have clicked and once you have hooked them, you reel them in because they think about this title of yours and the content, and you're adding value and all of that. If having a YouTube channel is about fishing, then I know exactly what to do. How do you ensure that you get most of the fish out of a river? You block it off at that side, and you block it off on this side, and you drain the water, and you've got all those fish. Now, if viewers are fish, what can you do to get the maximum amount of catch for your channel? You need to make a video that all the fishers will watch. That's very, very difficult, because the shark as well as the sardine needs to be able to watch that video, which they can, but they need to be shown the impressions to do so. So, as your video progresses through the algorithm, it will start expanding and getting more and more views until the view count is saturated. If you want to get all the views possible, you really have to make a globally acceptable video that everybody will watch. What if I just make a video that less fishers watch so that I can still get 300k, 400k of views? Yeah, well, I haven't had that yet, but I suppose that's theoretically possible. How do we do that using the fish analogy? We take a net and we have a nice big wide net to catch a lot of fish. And then if we see that that doesn't work, then we make the net smaller and smaller until we catch fish. Now once we have caught some fish in the small net, then we can start expanding the net, making it bigger and bigger and bigger, and get more and more fishes to watch our videos. That's amazing. But how does that translate? Well, it's easy, because the net that I'm talking about will be your niche. You need to just think and objectively look at where you are and where you want to be, and then decide whether your current niche will get you there. And if you have the right niche, You need to decide how big that niche is. If it's too small, then you might want to widen that, get a bigger net. If it's too wide, but you still don't get anything, try and make it smaller. Please do not treat your viewers as fish. They are the lifeblood of your business and mine. I hope that you found this informative. Have a wonderful day.